Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about iOS 26. iOS 26 is now official. Apple just announced it at WWDC 2025, and it's one of the biggest overhauls the iPhone has seen since iOS 7. We're talking a completely redesigned interface called Liquid Glass, major AI upgrades, and fresh updates across all your favorite apps. Let's dive in. What is Liquid Glass? Apple's introducing a new design language called Liquid Glass, inspired by Vision OS. Expect sleeker, more translucent layered UI elements. Think glossy, glassy interface with depth and motion that bring menus, icons, and widgets to life. Core highlights. Unified look across devices, iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, tvOS, all adopting Liquid Glass. Renaming scheme. Ditching legacy numbering, now using the year-based label, iOS 26 equals 2025. Smarter iPhone with AI. iOS 26 supercharges Apple Intelligence with on-device AI, live translation in phone calls, FaceTime, and messages. Visual intelligence. Search images inside screenshots. Genmoji emoji mixing, image playground powered by ChatGPT. New app features rundown. Phone call improvements. Hold assist. Auto waits for you on customer service calls. Call screening with message transcripts. Messages app, group chat, enhancements like polls, typing indicators, message backgrounds, Apple Cache sharing. Camera Safari, cleaner interfaces, camera app reshaped, Safari now edge-to-edge. Apple Maps, smarter location favorites and more proactive routing. Apple Music, live lyrics translation, a new auto-mix DJ feature. Wallet, redesigned boarding passes with airport maps, baggage tracking, enhanced credential support, flexible pay, and loyalty features. Games, all new Games app acts as a hub for installed games, Apple Arcade, leaderboards and challenges, support release info device. Support, drops everything pre-A13, compatible with iPhone 11 and later, goodbye iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max. Developers got the beta, June 9th, 2025. Public beta in July, full release in fall. This truly is the most significant makeover in over a decade. From liquid glass visuals to smart AI tools and deep app-level improvements, iOS 26 feels like the manifestation of Apple's seamless hardware-software vision. Which feature are you most excited about? Is it the AI translation, call hold assist, message upgrades, or the stunning redesign? Let me know down below. Drop a like if this video helped you, and hit subscribe for more tech-related videos, and hit the notification bell to never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.